Hello treasures, hope you are doing great. Come, let me show you this yummy and delicious breakfast recipe which I just discovered. It is like pap, but it is not pap. It is called tapioca. I know many of you are familiar with that, but I just discovered it. We are going to make porridge with this, and to make it I'll start by rinsing the tapioca. I bought this in the market, in an open market, so it's always dusty. So I'll just rinse it to rinse out the dust from it before soaking it. And to also make this, I'm going to soak it for some hours before cooking it. From dried cassava, so to cook it or to make porridge with it, we have to soften it first. So I'm going to soak it in the water here for about 3 hours. You can also soak it overnight, but I soaked this early morning, so I soaked this early in the morning, and after about 3 hours it was okay to be cooked. You can see how soft it is. I only used half cup of the tapioca, and you can see that it has doubled in size. I'll set that aside now and prepare another ingredient which we are using. We are going to use grated coconut, and that is what I'm grating here. Keep watching to see when I'll add the grated coconut. I'm done with grating the coconut, so let's start making the porridge, the tapioca porridge. I've gone ahead to strain out the water from the soaked tapioca, and I have on my stove here some water boiling. Next, I'll add the soaked tapioca into the boiling water and start stirring. After about 10 minutes of stirring this, you can see that it is cooked. You can see the difference between the first time when I started cooking it and now. It's as if this part is now a kind of transparent. I don't know how to describe it, but when it is well cooked, you will know. Next, I'll add a pinch of salt, or just little amount of salt, and a tablespoon of sugar. Add sugar according to your taste. After stirring in the salt and sugar very well, I'll then go ahead and add our grated coconut. You can skip this if you don't have coconut around, but this grated coconut makes it more yummy. The fresh coconut makes it more delicious, more yummy. I've not used dried coconut chips, but I don't know how it will be. You can also give that a try, but this grated fresh coconut makes it very delicious. And our tapioca is done. If you don't like this thickness, you can add it a little more water to loosen it. Because I'm going to add in liquid milk, so I'm going to leave it like this. Off our heat or gas and serve. Guys, you can enjoy this with some evaporated milk or full cream milk. You can also add water to your powdered milk, turn it to liquid milk, and use it if that is. Here we have our tapioca porridge. This is looking very delicious, and tasting it or eating it, this was my first time of making this and eating it, and I bet you it tastes so delicious. It is very, very yummy. I'll eat this often. Guys, let me know in the comment section, do you eat this? Have you eaten it before? If you have not, is it what you would love to try? If you love drinking pap, you will love this, I bet you. And how do you cook yours? Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and also share it to your friends and family. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.